When you eat an egg, an incredible transformation begins inside your body. What looks simple on the outside is actually a powerful source of complete nutrition. As the egg is swallowed, it travels through the esophagus and gently reaches the stomach. Here, strong digestive enzymes begin breaking down its complex proteins. These proteins are transformed into amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to repair and grow. The journey continues into the small intestine. This is where nutrients are carefully absorbed into the bloodstream. Amino acids, vitamins, and healthy fats begin traveling through your blood, reaching every organ and tissue. Your muscles receive these nutrients and start repairing microscopic damage. This process strengthens muscle fibers and supports healthy body development. Meanwhile, an important nutrient called choline begins supporting your brain. It helps maintain brain cell structure and improves communication between neurons. As a result, memory, focus, and cognitive performance are supported naturally. Inside your eyes, protective compounds from the egg begin their work. Lutein and zeaxanthin help shield delicate eye tissues from damage. These nutrients support clearer vision and long-term eye health. At the cellular level, something even more fascinating happens. Your cells use these nutrients to produce energy more efficiently. Mitochondria, the energy centers of your cells, increase their activity. This leads to improved vitality, stamina, and overall body function. Your immune system also benefits from this nutritional boost. White blood cells become more active and better prepared to defend your body. This strengthens your natural protection against illness and infection. As nutrients circulate, major organs begin working in better harmony. The heart pumps efficiently, the brain functions smoothly, and muscles respond with strength and balance. All of this from a single, simple food. Eggs provide high-quality protein, essential vitamins, healthy fats, and critical nutrients your body needs every day. Adding one egg to your daily diet can support strength, energy, and overall wellness. One egg a day, a small habit with powerful benefits for your entire body.